Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to remind you all of the 25% signal sale that we currently have going. This is to celebrate us achieving the huge milestone of 5,000 subscribers. So to say a big thank you to you all, we currently have a 25% discount on our signal service. Normally we charge $199 for a year's membership, but with the sale, it's now only $150. So this deal is valid until Sunday evening. So to take advantage of this deal and to become part of our amazing team here, please visit our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link can be found below this video in the description. So in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and as you can see today we have continued our fall down towards the 1700 level, and we did actually pierce it earlier on before the US session. So it's a bit of an interesting week here in gold. I did highlight the fact in previous videos that gold, it could easily fall down to the 1700 area, but I still continue. I've said it before and I'll say it again, this is great value for gold right now. This is a gift. I would be buying, and in fact I just have, and so have my signal team, be opening some buy positions around the 1700 to 1690 level, because just under the 1700, where I don't think we will break below, we do have the 50-day EMA. So if we do break below the 1700 area, we then look for support at the 1685 to 1690 area. So there's plenty of support for gold, and the fundamentals are still there. They're still very bullish. The Fed has lent out a lot of money. There's low interest rates in the United States, near to zero. Countries like the UK now, are looking at potential negative rates. Pretty much every country in the world right now has near to 0% interest rate. So this is very bullish for gold, and I do expect gold to do very well. I mentioned it in yesterday's video that June and July are typically a very bullish month for gold. If we go back, as you can see, I've circled here, this was the month of May, and as you can see, the last week of May we did have an outbreak towards the upside, and as you can see, we then extended that rally the whole month of June and July. So we are entering a very positive and bullish time period for gold. So do look for some support. Now that the US session has opened, they're not really letting it drop below 1700, which is a bullish sign, but it's very important to see where this session ends later on. If we can finish way above 1700, maybe near that 1710 area, this to me is a very bullish sign. And then I think, going on tomorrow, Thursday and Friday session, we will start to trade higher. And then once we're into June, next week will be June, we will then push back towards the 1750 area. But, the key level now, which you guys should be looking out for, is that 1764 high of last week. We got there on Monday morning last week. If we can break above this level here at 1764, this is a very good sign. That means that we've just created a higher high, which is a very bullish signal, and then we are likely to go to my yearly target of 1800. Gold is going to 1800. It's just a question of how far will we pull back before we get there. There's all the fundamentals and all the technicals right now are supporting gold to 1700. So I am certain that we'll get there, and my bias has not changed one bit. In terms of the RSI, we are currently at 47, so we are in the middle. This basically means that the market can go either way, and with plenty of momentum. We're neither overbought or oversold. So as I mentioned before, my bias has not changed at all for gold. I am a buyer targeting 1800.